Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to add rental car coverage through the Geico mobile app in 2025. It's gonna be a quick video. We're not gonna waste too much time on this one at all. Just gonna give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now the first thing we're going to do will be to open the Geico mobile app on our smartphone or our tablet, and if you don't have the app, you can just get that from the Google Play Store for Android devices or from the App Store for iOS devices. Now once you have the app and you've opened that up, the next step is going to be to log into your account using your username and password. So go ahead and insert your username and password to log into your account. And the next step is going to be to click on policy details. So once you're logged in, click on policy details and just select the policy that you want to update. And once you have that selected, you're going to click on coverage options and then select rental car coverage. Now the next thing you want to do is to just select the rental car coverage options that best suits your specific needs. So go through that and make a good pick. And once that's done, you want to review and confirm the changes to your policy. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to add rental car coverage through the Geico mobile app in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in